Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix screen zoom in Windows 11. First you need to right click on the desktop and go to display setting. In this menu you need to scroll down a little bit and go to scale option. You can see now it is set as 100%. You can change it to 125 or 100%. So make sure to keep the recommended resolution like this. And also in the display resolution there are several display resolutions you can see. Make it as a recommended one. Once it is done, you can close this one. Right click on the start menu. Go to device manager. Double tap on the display adapters. Right click on your display adapter and go to properties and go to drivers tab. There is an option called update driver. Just tap on it. Then it will be asked two options. You can either check the latest updates in the internet. If you need to do that, just tap on search automatically for drivers. You can see I already installed latest driver, so close this one. And if you update the latest version recently and then after this issue is happened, there is an option called rollback driver. In my case it is inactive. If you see it is active, just tap on it, then it will be roll back to previous version that is perfectly work on your computer. So it will be help to fix that issue. And if you are using external monitor, try to change the monitor setting using buttons and other things. So if it is not working, close this one, and you can refresh your graphic driver by just tap on Ctrl Shift Windows key and B together. This will reset the graphic driver and can sometimes fix display glitches. So if it is not working, you can go to safe mode. To do that, first you need to restart your computer using shift key. Go to start menu, tap on power icon, you can see restart option. Press the shift key, then after tap on restart. Then it will be go to the in that blue screen menu you can choose troubleshoot. Then after next menu you can choose advanced option, startup setting, and finally restart. After your PC restart, you will be see a list of options. Select 4 or F4. The option will be show in the menu, and then after you can able to boot into the safe mode. In that boot menu, you can use internet using select 5 or F5. So once you are in the safe mode, assume you are in the safe mode right now. Go to start menu, go to setting. Again go to display section. Scroll down and again select the scale as 100% and recommended, display resolution as your display resolution and with the recommended option. If none of these methods will be not working, you have to reinstall your Windows. In my channel there is 1 or 2 videos how to reinstall Windows, so you can watch that video and reinstall your Windows 11 again. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.